Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the deck for streaming. Make sure you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and a stable Wi-Fi connection because cloud performance depends on it. Once done, switch to desktop mode, update Steam OS, and install a Chromium browser like Edge or Chrome. Sign into your Microsoft account and confirm Xbox Cloud Gaming runs in the browser. This verifies your account and network. Next, you'll add the browser to Steam so you can launch cloud games from gaming mode quickly and cleanly. Now you add that browser to Steam so launching is seamless in gaming mode. In desktop mode, open Steam, go to Games right arrow, add a non-Steam game, and select your browser executable. Rename the shortcut to something like Xbox Cloud Gaming, and if the browser supports a kiosk or app URL launch, add that URL as a launch argument so it opens directly to Xbox. com/play. Make sure to add a clear icon and configure Steam input. This maps your deck controls correctly. Finally, return to gaming mode and launch the Xbox Cloud Gaming shortcut you created. Sign in if prompted and pick a game. Once running, adjust stream quality and controller layout in the browser or Xbox, overlay to balance visuals and input latency. Lowering quality reduces bandwidth needs and input lag. Make sure full screen mode is enabled to minimize overlays. If you experience stutter or disconnects, try an Ethernet tether or a 5 GHz band, reduce stream resolution, and verify your router's NAT type. That single step often fixes streaming issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.